on to bigger, better, and brighter spaces. So as we walk up these stairs onto the 3rd floor, some of you guys may remember that this is where social work used to live. And if I were to sum up our relationship with social work, if any of you guys have ever had a roommate that you absolutely love but secretly wished moved out, just so you could have your entire place to yourself, that about sums up our relationship with social work. God bless their soul, yeah. So, this place has been completely eviscerated to make room for our own faculty, that being our instructors and professors. Beautiful spaces yet again. Lots of office space. Some of them even get a window. The people who get a window are the favorites, as I like to call them. Hi, Heather.
Hi there.
How are you?
I'm doing not too bad. I'm super happy. I just unpacked my boxes in my new office. And, you know, I don't have a window like you're really special people, but I feel pretty special in this office. If I'm not teaching undergrad, I am also Director of International and Global Health.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yep.
Loving it.
Good.
I am curious, though.
What's up?
Did you bring a friend or somebody with you?
Nope, it's just me on this tour. What's up?
Because then, who's this?
Who's who? Oh my goodness. Okay, Heather.
Why?
Hashtag creepy stalker vibes.
Right? And she's not even wearing a mask.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'll let you handle that, Heather.
Okay.
I will see you around.
Okay.
Bye, Heather.
Bye-bye.